What if I told you that everything you need to know about money could be learned in just 6 minutes?
Most of us were never taught how money actually works, and this lack of financial knowledge costs us thousands of dollars over our lifetime.
But today, that changes, because in this video, I am going to teach you the essential financial concepts that everyone should know.
Let us start with the most fundamental concept of all income and expenses, which is the foundation of all financial health.
The simple formula for wealth is earn more than you spend and invest the difference. That is it. But here is where most people get stuck. They spend everything they earn and never get around to saving and investing. This is called the paycheck to paycheck cycle, and it is the #1 reason people stay broke.
The solution is simple. Pay yourself first before you pay anyone else.
Decide right now that every single time you get paid, you will save at least 10% before you spend anything else. This is non-negotiable, and your future self will thank you for it.
Next, you need to understand compound interest, which is the most powerful force in finance.
Compound interest is when your money earns interest, and then that interest earns even more interest, creating a snowball effect over time. The earlier you start investing, the more powerful compound interest becomes, because time is your greatest ally. A 25-year-old who invests $100 a month could have over $250,000 by age 65 at a 10% average return.
But if they wait until age 35 to start, they would have less than half of that amount, even if they invest twice as much.
This is why time in the market is more important than timing the market. Next, let us talk about budgeting, which is simply giving every dollar you earn a specific job. The most popular and effective budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule.
50% of your income goes to needs like housing, food, and transportation. 30% goes to wants like dining out, entertainment, and shopping.
And 20% goes to savings and investments to build your future wealth. This simple framework gives you a clear structure for managing your money without feeling restricted.
Next, you need to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt, because not all debt is created equal.
Good debt is debt that helps you build wealth, like a mortgage for a home or a loan for education. Bad debt is debt that loses value, like credit card debt or payday loans.
The rule is simple. If the debt helps you acquire something that grows in value, consider it. If it does not, avoid it.
Next, you need to understand the importance of an emergency fund, which is your financial safety net.
An emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses.
This protects you from unexpected emergencies, like job loss, medical bills, or car repairs.
Without an emergency fund, one unexpected expense can derail your entire financial plan.
Next, let us talk about investing in yourself, which is the highest return investment you can make. Your earning potential is directly related to your skills, knowledge, and expertise.
The most successful people in the world read books, listen to podcasts, and constantly learn new skills. They understand that investing in themselves is the best investment they can make.
Next, you need to understand that financial literacy is not just about money. It is about freedom, security, and choices. Financial literacy gives you the ability to make decisions that align with your values and goals.
When you understand money, you can focus on what truly matters to you, rather than constantly worrying about bills.
Now I want to hear from you. What is the one financial concept that has changed your life? And share it in the comments below.
If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button to support the channel.
And do not forget to subscribe for more financial literacy and money education content. Click the bell icon so you never miss another video about mastering your money. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, financial literacy is the key to freedom, security, and a life you truly desire.
Stay curious about money, and I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your finances, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.